A cozy winter spa night in a jar? Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Every month, our recipe boxes come with 6 natural recipes you can make right at home. And this month, I'm trying the Northern Lights bath salt. This recipe brings a crisp, wintry aroma into your bath using pure ingredients you can trust. I love that I can make something that feels so luxurious with no mystery fillers. Just simple ingredients that are safe and fun to create with. The key ingredients for this recipe come from the Simply Earth recipe box and this free big bonus box. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can also grab them individually on our website. We've got a recipe page that links everything in one place. And if you are a subscriber, you can add extras like the Natrasorb powder and the jar to your box anytime for a 10% off plus free shipping. Now let's make it. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of the almond oil, 2 drops of autumn air essential oil blend, 2 drops of the pine essential oil, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of the Natrasorb Bath Powder, which is optional. Natrasorb helps fully absorb the oils, which means they will distribute evenly in the bath water instead of just floating on top. It also makes the bath water feel silky and luxurious. In another bowl, add a 1/4 cup of the bath salt blend and 1/8 teaspoon of the Indigo blue mica powder for that shimmering night sky effect. Next, we're gonna pour the oil mixture into the salts and stir until everything is evenly coated. Now you want to transfer it into your 2-ounce jar and add a label. And there you have it. Wow, look at that blue and all those different shades. I really love the combination of the blue with the pink Himalayan salt. To use, you can dump this whole thing right into your bath. Let's give this a test. Once this is dissolved, you're left with a bath that smells just like the holidays. This is Gail from HR. Everyone say hi.
Hello.
I just made these Northern Lights bath salts from the Simply Earth recipe box. Tell me what you think of this.
Oh, okay, what is in here? Oh, this is good in a not lavendery way. It's fall themed, pine or some sort of tree.
Yeah.
Okay, I will guess autumn air.
It's autumn air.
Yeah, it does smell really nice.
Pretty amazing, right? And it's just one of the 6 cozy DIYs in this month's Simply Earth recipe box. Every box is designed to make natural living simple, fun, and affordable. When you join, we'll even send you a free big bonus box filled with the basics you'll need for months of making. Want to try it too? Make these Northern Lights bath salts and share your version with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and be featured. And if you want more fun, festive, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and I'll see you in the next video.